Hi, have you ever heard of the Wolfram stick? Well, stay tuned and we'll try it out together. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and I picked this little puppy up at the Outdoor Adventure Gear Fest, and I thought, hey, that would be really fun to try. So this is called the Wolfram stick. Such a funny name. What you need is you just need a can of ready-made homemade biscuit dough. So you take the dough, you wrap it around the edge of the stick, and if I follow the instructions, there's only 3 steps. 1, you roast it. 2, you fill them. And 3, you wolf them. Okay, let's give this a try. We've got the canned biscuit dough over the top. Now look at this little stick thing. It just kind of twists. So let's give it a go and see. I'm just gonna go nice and slow because I don't like them burnt. And just slowly move that around. This little handle idea is pretty cool. My dough's starting to puff up. That's crazy, it's already starting to get toasty and golden brown. As long as I don't light it on fire, I'll be happy. Oh, it is done. There you go. Let's go over and fill them up.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love. This is so fun. Here, you try it.
So the fun thing with Wolframs is all the possibilities. There are so many. I'm just going to give you a few ideas and then you take it from there and come up with your own. Okay, so let's make a hamburger one. A little bit of hamburger with some cheese. Top it with a pickle. A little bit of ketchup. A little bit of mustard. You've got a burger with them. Bacon and eggs. Some eggs. Just break up some of this bacon. Put it in there. We've got a bacon and egg with them. How about a pizza with them? Got a little bit of pizza sauce. Add some mozzarella. And a few pepperonis. Taco. A couple of, crunch some Fritos up in there. A little bit of taco meat. A little bit of sour cream. And a little bit of salsa. Olé! Okay, how about some peanut butter and jelly? There you go. Ham and cheese. Oops. Kind of stuff that in, get it nice and yummy. There you go. And then for some fresh fruit, we'll add some berries, some strawberries. Then let's do a little bit of whipped cream. Let's add a little strawberry on top. Okay. And what about some bananas with a little bit of Hershey chocolate syrup? Let's add a little bit of whipped cream on that. Make it that much better. And there you have it, a variety of Wolf'ems. So, what do you think about the Wolf'em stick? Actually, I'm amazed at all the fun possibilities that you can do with this. Now, I've given you a few ideas. Let your imagination run wild. If you try this out, I would love for you to leave a comment and let me know what you liked. Well, that's all for today, but from Let's Go Now Adventures, I'll see you on the next adventure.